If you edit videos in CapCut and use any Pro feature, you've probably seen this problem. When you try to export, CapCut shows an error and asks you to buy the Pro version. So in this video, I'll show you a simple and easy method that helps CapCut work smoothly. You'll be able to export videos in 4K, use Pro transitions, effects, text, audio, and stickers without facing that export error. If this method works for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Now let's start the process. First, open CapCut on your PC. You can see I'm not using any Pro account. Now create a new project. I'll quickly edit a short video and use some Pro effects, transitions, and stickers just to show you the issue. When I try to export, you can see the message saying that Pro features are used. Now to fix this, follow these steps carefully. First, select all clips in your timeline. You can press Ctrl+A on your keyboard or simply drag to select everything. Once all clips are selected, right-click on any clip and choose Create Compound Clip. After that, right-click on the compound clip again and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. This step may take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your system and video length. Just wait until it reaches 100%. Once it's done, keep CapCut open and make it a little smaller. Now open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. In the Run box, type app data and click OK. Make sure there are no spaces. A folder will open. First, open the local folder. Then open the CapCut folder. Inside it, open User Data folder. Then open the Projects folder. Here, you'll see several folders. Look for one named something like com.lveditor.draft and open it. Inside, you'll find all your CapCut projects. Open the folder that matches your current project name. Then open the Resources folder. And after that, open the Combination folder. Here, you'll see a few video files. Choose the first video file. Do not select the file that has the word alpha in its name. Now, drag and drop this video file into the Import section of CapCut. After importing, close all folders and make CapCut full screen again. Drag this imported video onto your main clip in the timeline. When you do this, you'll see an option called Replace Clip. Click on it. That's it. The process is complete. Now export the video again. You won't see any Pro error message. You can export in 4K, 2K, or any frame rate you want, and everything will work smoothly. Just make sure you follow each step carefully. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and if you face any issues, let me know in the comments.